Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. I will start by thanking to the organizers for the invitation to talk a little bit about my research. Today, I will talk about hyperspectral remote sensing, and I will focus in some data analysis aspects of hyperspectral remote sensing. Hyperspectral, very shortly, is an extension of the color capacity that most systems, most cameras has. Basically, what we have with hyperspectral is hundreds of colors instead of one color. And with these, the objective is to have a fine spectral information about the behavior of the materials that are scattering the light. And the idea is to have a fine identification of the materials and of the objects that we are imaging. In fact, in the last 10, 15 years, we have lots of new sensors with enhanced capabilities, and these sensors have opened the door to a huge number of new applications in which the main objective is to do fine identification of the materials. This is great. We have a huge power in our hands, but we have also a huge challenge because there are many tasks that are not simple to do. And I'm going to talk a little bit about some of these challenges and algorithms to cope with these problems with this data analysis. Just to say that part of the things that I'm going to address here, to talk here, is the result from a joint collaboration with these colleagues, Antonio Plaza, Gustavo Campesval, Paul Chanders, Nasser Nasrabadi, and Jocelyn Chenuso. We have put these ideas together in a paper recently, and part of the ideas came from this joint work. Okay, the outline, I will start by talk a little bit about basics of hyperspectral remote sensing. So what is hyperspectral remote sensing? We have sun, perhaps. We have sun, we have electromagnetic waves that hits the terrain, and then we read the light that is acquired. I'm going to talk a little bit about the basics of the acquisition system. We call it sometimes the forward model. Then I'm going to talk about data analysis and challenging. I will organize the talk in a few topics that are typically addressed in data analysis of hyperspectral remote sensing, namely unmixing. Quite often the light that we read are mixed, and we would like to unmix.